Do you like to try things before you buy them? I do. I like to know how or if things are going to work before I spend my money. Here at UCI, we have the perfect way for you to try our products before you buy them. We call it our Demo Tool Program. It's easy and it's straightforward. With approved credit, we will send your company a sample tool and free fasteners and give you 15 days to test them. If you like it, you buy it. If you don't, you send the tool back to us on your own dime and you will not be charged. That's a risk-free way for you to test our products for around 10 or 15 bucks in shipping expenses. If you do not represent a company and don't have trade references, don't worry. We have other ways for you to try our products risk-free. It's important to note that regardless of which route you go, you need to take extra special care of the tool while you are testing it so that in the event that you decide to return it, it will still be in new condition. So what's stopping you now? With a risk-free way to try our products, what do you have to lose? For more information about our Demo Tool Program, feel free to give us a call at 512-255-8525. We are always happy to hear from you.